We introduce a 19mm black coated ultra-thin touch metal button switch. The ultra-thin shell is more suitable for installation in narrow space than the traditional button. The button switch is fully equipped with waterproof ring and metal nut, which is very convenient to install. The coating of the black metal shell is of excellent material. The switching mode is self-resetting, and it will rebound to the original position when pressed down. The bottom adopts the technology of potting. Please refer to the following schematic diagram for wiring. The waterproof level of the push button switch is IP67, and the bottom is tightly sealed with glue.